Actually, nasa mall kami. Napadaan kami sa Ace Hardware. Okay? And we've talked about it. Pag nanay, tatay ka na, pag mom and dad ka na, yan ang tambayan mo. Okay? Pag single ka, cosmetics ang tambayan mo. Tsaka pagkain. Oo. Anyway, relate siya sa sino ka ba talaga, okay? Like me, now sitting here on this chair, I'm thinking, parang merong relapse na flashback na nung since bata ako, I've always known, sino ba talaga ako? Okay? At this age, like now I'm 34, yung depth ko, ang lalim niya. Yung depth ko parang kahit anong edad pwedeng kumausap sa akin, iba na. It's not about the number, it's not about the age. Okay? The more you learn about yourself, the more you know yourself, the more you know how to regulate your nervous system, the more you know how to face your shadows, your darkest night, the more you do self-reflect and mirror. Oh my God, I'm telling you guys, it's your gateway to be unlimited.